All right, so we are now going to talk just a little bit about oil seeps and spills. About 10,000 leaks and spills each occur each year in U.S. waters, and about 15 to 25 million gallons of oil annually. Um, Sources of spills are oil tankers, drilling accidents, carelessly disposed of fuel, intentional destruction of pipelines, so vandalism, and then there are some natural sieves that we kind of mentioned already. While accidents do happen, I do say the oil industry does not do this on purpose, or even just out of neglect. When there is a spill, they are losing a lot of money, and they don't like it when they lose money. So these are all accidents that just happen with any industry. Um, and so what do you do when it happens? I mentioned some remediation techniques here. We have floating barriers and skimmers, which pretty much just like uh, block it off from spreading any further, and then you just skim it off the top. As we mentioned, oil floats on top of water. You can spray the affected beaches with fertilizer to encourage those microorganisms that eat oil. You can use hot water to wash the beach because, as I mentioned, the hot water makes it flow better, so it'll clean it off better. You can burn it off. And that'll maybe not the best, but it'll get rid of it. You can also hear dispersion. There's chemicals that'll make it turn into from one pool to like little tiny drops and just kind of spread out and ungroup. A kind of like a dilution concept here. And then skimming and the burning. Okay. And that was it for seeps and oil spills. And again, seeps are just where there's no trap in that migration system, so it comes up naturally. You do see natural seeps off the coast of California around like the kind of around the Channel Islands area.